All right, listen, when it comes to having your crypto in an LLC, there's a lot of people that are out there just teaching that you need to just have an LLC and you make a capital contribution and you have a digital asset operating agreement. Well, that is fine, and that may help eliminate some of the taxes. I'm telling you, folks, if you are a part of that LLC, meaning you, the individual person, the taxpayer, right? The social security number person, that's who you are to the IRS. Digital asset operating agreement, none of that shit matters if you are still a part of that LLC. If it's a single member LLC and you are the member, income is still going to pass to you and you get taxed as an individual taxpayer. You're missing a step. You do not want to be the one to own that LLC. You do not want to be the member on that LLC. You never, look, folks, the way that the wealthy people do not pay taxes, it's fucking simple. They don't make personal income. Look up the definition of personal income. When you or I, the person that was born, when we have money come to us, it doesn't matter if we're on an S-Corp, if we're on an LLC, or if we're on a fucking W-2. If money comes to you directly through a K-1, through W, it doesn't matter. When it comes to you, you are an individual, you're going to pay taxes. That is the way the system works. The way that the wealthy eliminate paying taxes is they don't operate as themselves. You and I are what's called a creature of legislature. Your LLC is a creature of legislature. Your S-Corp, the 501c, those are all government products. They were created by legislature. You have to understand, all you got to do is remove yourself. You have to operate under a private entity that can own a business, own real estate, own crypto, set up brokerage accounts, just like you and I can. But they were not created by the federal government. Therefore, they are not subject to the tax system. Look, folks, you don't need to go be sovereign. You don't need to go poke the bear and do all these things people are telling you to do. All you need is a private trust. You can take this fake person the government created and just set it over here. Use it for credit. Use it to get access to the bank's money so you can go create wealth for your family. If you want to learn more about these concepts, click the link in my bio, book an appointment, or go to my website, liveiws.com, and download all my books for free. Love you all.